only thing you need for this project is some looking glass. I picked up this at Lowe's. I think they probably got some at Home Depot and maybe at Walmart's. And also you need a spray gun. And I have some vinegar and water in this. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do that also. And then you're gonna need your E6000 and 2 containers. I'm gonna use this bowl, and then I'm gonna use this beautiful glass here. This is an old glass that I had a long time ago, and I think it's gonna work just perfect for this project. So, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and glue our glass with our bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it upside down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on it. Go ahead and put a little E6000 on it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make sure you're in the center. And then we're gonna hold it. And we're gonna let this set for about, I'd say overnight. Okay, we back. So we are outside and we're getting ready to put our looking glass on. First of all, I'm just gonna take it like so, and I'm gonna kind of bring it out like this, and then we're gonna spray in. And then we're gonna just kind of turn it around so it can get all around it. Okay, and while that's doing, we're gonna bring this down, and then we're gonna spray this. See how it is in there? We're gonna go around it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now I'm gonna use some of this. And we're gonna just spritz. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of split around. Okay. Doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and split this. Just a little bit. And we're gonna dab. Okay. Just keep dabbing. Let's spray this again. Have a little dog in the background over there next door. I'm gonna spray this side one more time. You're gonna continue doing this until you get the consistency that you want. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna let this sit and dry. Okay, and we'll be back. I have let it dry, and see how pretty that looks. And see how pretty that looks. You can tell that it kind of look like a mirror-like finish. That is so pretty. If you want to do like 3 of these, one higher than the other one, that will make it so beautiful. And also, I forgot to tell you that you should use vinegar and water in this. Half vinegar and half water. Okay, and also I use paper towel for my dabbing inside. And I thank y'all for watching my video. Isn't they are beautiful? See how the light is flashing through them? It's gonna be wonderful in your home. Or you can give them out as a gift. Mother's Day is coming. That will be a great time to give something like this out.